In this video, we're going to be having a look at XRP right now, currently making a W pattern on the weekly time frame. The question is are we going to have that breakout all the way up to 50 cents, 60 cents, or are we going to break back down and continue with this bear market? Of course, guys, we're also going to be having a look at some news. Ripple price soars nearly 10% after unknown whale purchased $500 million worth of XRP, guys. 500 million. That is $500 million. That is an enormous amount and a crazy amount. And of course, guys, we did explode 12% today. Market cap is currently $18 billion. So we just added $2.2 billion to the market cap. That is an explosion. Yes, a lot of people are saying, oh wait, crypto dose, how is that an explosion? Yes, that is an explosion. $2.2 billion in a bear market being added to XRP is a lot. So clearly there's something that we don't know. I mean, there's obviously the case happening against the SEC. The question is what will happen? We're gonna have to find out next week on Monday if it's bullish or bear. But it seems like something is cooking and we don't know what, but it's gonna be very interesting. Of course, the volume is up 51%, which is fantastic. And of course, guys, if you want to trade XRP, don't forget to use my link in the description below. You could deposit and win up to $9,100. Of course, the event ends in 13 days and 23 hours. Let's dive into some technical analysis and see what's up on XRP. So first of all, right here we have one bottom and here we have two bottoms, two rejections. Look at that, these 2 weeks were rejected. So this support area right here is very strong. Now if we go back, we know that this is a very strong area because we could extend, and we know this was a resistance right here that flipped to support, another resistance that flipped to support, and another resistance that flipped to support. But let's focus on right now. I know chart is all about history, but let's focus on right now. Where can we go? Well, if we break this area right here, this resistance, we could fly. We could really fly and have a nice parabolic move all the way to 51 cents. For XRP, that would be very high. It would be a 54% pump, would be extremely high, guys, because the market cap of XRP is currently 18 billion and we're ranked number 7. So to have another 50% added, that is enormous for XRP. Let's have a look on the shorter time frame on the 1 day. Then we're going to go to the 4 hour, 15 minute, and whatnot. If we have a look on the daily time frame, we've just been consolidating. I mean, nothing too crazy. Of course, we're in a bear market, and we know bear markets are for accumulating and for consolidation. So this is that. If we have a look on the EMA ribbon on XRP, we can see right here that we are actually breaking out of the EMA ribbon. Now, the last time we had a clean breakout was not here. The last time we had a clean breakout was, guys, I think it was like right here, which was February 7th. That is a long time ago. That is almost 8 months ago, 9 months ago, that we had a clean breakout. And look at this. Now we are having this breakout currently right now above the EMA ribbon. Now we know what happened when we fell below the exponential moving average. We were right here and we just entered a bear market. This was a resistance. We kept getting rejected by resistance and then came back down. And now finally we are exploding. The question is will the daily time frame close above these EMA ribbon? And of course the volume is popping, which is very nice. When we saw this candle right here exploding, it wasn't really a nice closure. It wasn't an aggressive one, and it wasn't a bullish engulfing candle. It was very boring. And of course it resulted in consolidation, some resistance, and then came back down, followed by a crazy crash. Now we have some volume increasing. We got a double bottom on the weekly, so things are looking very good. All the indicators are pointing towards XRP pumping. The question is will we break this resistance? Of course, on the daily time frame. Now, having a look at the 4 hour time frame, we know that the trend is your friend on the 4 hour time frame. We got a few hits right here. We always came back down. The question is are we going to continue to break all resistance, especially this one right here, or are we going to come back down, retest before coming back up? Well, if you guys are trading with leverage, I would really suggest to wait for the retest, because we always see retests. I mean, every time we see a crazy pump, let's say on the 1 hour time frame, yes, it was a crazy pump. We got $2 billion added to the market cap. Every time we see a pump like this, we usually come back, retest before exploding again. So we're gonna have to see the same way we saw it right here. We saw a nice little run right here, came back down, retested, came back up, and exploded again. So things are looking very good. And of course, when we usually break out of a resistance, we usually come back and retest the support. We know that this was a previous resistance, and we know every time we pass a resistance, it usually flips to support. So this is exactly what is happening right now. Can we see something like this before bouncing back up? Once again, very possible. But overall, guys, we are looking very good. If we pull up the stochastic RSI, it seems like it wants to come back down a little bit. So it seems like we do need a reversal or some sort of reversal. And we know when the blue crosses over the orange towards the downside, we know that's usually a bearish sign. Of course, for the short term only, we saw it happen right here. We were pretty much oversold right here and oversold right here, and guess what happened? We saw these nice little decrease in lines. So this is exactly what is happening right now with XRP. It's obviously not going to be a big correction. It'll be approximately 3 to 4%. I could definitely see this happening. And that's about it. I mean, guys, XRP is looking pretty good. The volume is high. That means people are interested. People are trading it. 12.32% in the past 24 hours. And of course, we are ranked number 7. So things are looking very good. And the market cap, guys, the market cap is really what you want to look at. A lot of people are saying, oh, can XRP reach $1,000? And the reason why I'm doing this video is because a lot of people requested to do this video about XRP and Shiba Inu and whatnot. But of course, today will be about XRP. And can this really go to $1,000? I mean, guys, you have to understand the circulating supply and whatnot, right? The circulating supply is currently sitting at 49 billion. That's circulating, okay? We're not talking about the max supply. We're talking about whatever is circulating. So assuming this goes to $1, the total market cap would be $50 billion. So can it really go to $1,000? I mean, unless they could somehow burn the rest of the XRPs, yes. But if this goes to $1, it would be 50 billion. If it goes to $2, it would be 100 billion, and $3, 150. And having a markup of $150 billion is quite a lot. It would be approximately the same thing as Ethereum, which is currently ranked number 2. Bitcoin is sitting at a markup of 382 billion. So a thousand. Now for $1,000, what you would do is you would ultimately multiply the price by the circulating supply, and this would essentially be your market cap. So can this go to $1,000? Probably not. Is it possible? Yes. Is it probable? No. So this is my quick video on XRP Ripple. If you guys like this video, of course, don't forget to leave a like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video today.